In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate your text in Excel. Rotating text is a quick way to make your sheets cleaner, especially when you're working with narrow columns or long headers. It helps you save space, guide the eye, and keep your layout tidy without sacrificing meaning. You'll see exactly where to find the feature and what to expect when you use it. On the Excel ribbon at the top, go to the Home tab and look for the Alignment section. That's where the orientation control lives. It's the button with a slanted text icon, and it opens a small menu of presets for angling or stacking your text. When you click Orientation, you'll see several options designed to rotate text in predictable, readable ways, so you don't have to guess at angles or fiddle with settings. From that menu, choose Angle Clockwise. The instant you do, Excel tilts the text diagonally down toward the right, applying a clean, consistent angle that works well for column headers and compact tables. This is especially handy when your labels are longer than the data below them, because the rotation can reduce the column width you need while still keeping the header visible and professional. If you don't see a change right away, make sure a cell with text is active and that you're not currently editing inside the cell. Rotation is a formatting choice that applies to whatever is selected, and it won't show on blank cells. Also, keep in mind that very long words may still extend beyond the cell boundary. Rotation doesn't shorten the content, it simply changes its orientation on the grid. After applying angle clockwise, notice how your layout breathes more easily. Numbers often become easier to scan when the headers take up less horizontal space, and the diagonal angle draws a subtle visual line that separates labels from values. If your sheet includes wrapped text or merged cells, the rotation respects those properties and adjusts accordingly, so your design remains consistent. You'll also see other orientation presets in the same menu, such as the opposite tilt and vertical arrangements. Those are great to remember for future formatting needs, and they all live under the same button you just used. For most everyday dashboards and reports, though, angle clockwise strikes a nice balance between readability and space savings. That's all there is to it. Click Orientation, then choose Angle Clockwise. With just that, your headers look sharper, your columns tighten up, and your spreadsheet instantly feels more organized. Try it on a few labels and see how much cleaner your layout becomes.